Well, hello. Good evening, everybody. It's Sunday night. We are live. Just posting in the Discord here that we are live. I'm currently in a long here. Faced a little bit of drawdown in this trade here. Targeting sort of these orders up here, potentially up towards a 250 area. We do have orders, 154 contracts at 250. I might need to scale out a little bit early. We're going to see how it reacts when the price gets up there to the 30,250. Looking good so far. Mr. Ralph's on the stream there, chilling out. By the way, guys, I got Ralph some new eardrops. So I'm hoping, so these eardrops are targeting both yeast and bacteria. So I'm hoping that this is going to be the trick to get his ears working cleaned up again. Also, we put him on some sort of like different steroid medicine because we're thinking that he has some sort of like autoimmune response, and that's why he keeps getting these infection hotspots kind of thing on his back, because they're kind of like popping up here and there and no real rhyme or reason. The spray that I'm using on it gets rid of it relatively quickly, but then a new one will pop up like just next to it. So yeah, Kyle, you commented on the vertical stream. Hey, Born Hunting. Hey, Red's in the house. Or Keep 007, Miss K, Angia, hi Tam, Sebastian. Hello. Good evening, everybody. Thanks, Dabness Philly. I like it. Sounds a bit like a 420 name. I don't know if it is, but maybe not. Well, I hope that wasn't the end of the move here. So I was up by about $90 earlier in this trade, up in this area, $100. I ended up adding into it as it pulled back. My stop was sort of below the lows here, with a little bit of space. We'll have to see how this goes. I might end up taking my stop break even here relatively soon. This thing was down by 140, 145, 150 maybe. So I kind of want to see what happens when we get up. Sort of, if we can get up towards the 250s would be nice. I might be trying to scale out there. Wow, Lone Wolf up 636 tonight. Beautiful. Love to hear it. Silver or what? You traded silver? So guys, I am working on my dinner still here. Check it out. I got some yams and this like cold salad with beets and cucumber and onion and forget what these ones are called again for some reason right now. Having brain fart. And then I got some regular boiled veggies. Woo! Yeah, I figured you were on silver. Sorry, Angia. I know you don't like the beets, but they're healthy. We got to do what we got to do, to stay healthy. We're not getting any younger these days. But I'm sure you like the yams though, right? Can't go wrong with the yams. The fire is frozen here, guys. Let's turn it on. You just had bacon, eggs, and toast for dinner? Nice. That sounds good. I think Ralph's waiting for a piece of carrot over there. What a happy guy. He likes his carrots. Wilson is gold. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Good morning. Hope you had a good weekend. Yeah, I'm having a good weekend. I went out and delivered a bunch of real estate flyers today. And it was pretty successful because I got 2 people that are interested. I got their emails. So Here's a little flyer that I made that we're putting out here. Buying or selling, market butcher, selling. So I think I delivered probably over 100, a little over 100 flyers. I did one apartment building. Apartment building had about 45 units. Knocked on every door, dropped a flyer, talked to a number of the people, and then went out to some of the streets in the neighborhood and hit up some of the houses out there. So yeah. So I do have these contracts up here, but I'm kind of thinking that I'll probably end up front run, maybe like go for the highs here, maybe like these take off like 2 at 40, 1 at 48, and then we'll leave the other one up here at the 60. So there's a bearish fair value gap here. Let's put it at 59 or whatever there. 4 contracts here. Let's hope this thing's gonna get some momentum here. I'm hoping what happened here is that they swept this high, and then they turned this a little bit bearish, started pushing down here, and then all these people getting short here, right? Trying to target the gap down here. So I'm hoping that they're going to squeeze these guys out here and push all the way back up to these highs. And then maybe London, they're going to end up going back down there, but we'll see. We'll see. You never know. This could be the resistance point here now, the 220s for the next lower low. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Ideally, we get an inverted fair value gap on this guy here. If we get a closure up above 30,228, that's really gonna, sort of solidify the fact that we're gonna go higher. Now, adversely, since I have my contracts right in this area, if we end up getting a candle closure below this bullish fair value gap, below 200, I'm just gonna exit this trade. So that's kind of the criteria I have right now. I don't want to put my stop up there just yet, but I could probably take some of this off here, just something like this, right? Just so that we're protecting this position. Because at this point, if this thing decides to roll over again, I don't want to be wait for it to get way down here to stop it out. We'll stop it out before that. Ralph's just bouncing around. He's saying, "What's up, chat? What's up, chat? We in the house." Let's get a little bit of music going here. Different songs. MNQ Trickery by Night Build Audio. We got the beats. Beats in the house. The book map makes it look like 250 is really close, but we do have 125, 160, about 300 contracts between here and 250. Do they have Mail Shark in your area? It sounds out of flyer every single address from a specific radius of you. Oh, we probably have something like that. But I just want to have the opportunity to talk to people, right? So what I usually try to do is I'll try to go knock on doors and then talk to them, and then as you you can kind of build a little bit of rapport with people, and then after that you send out flyers to the similar areas, because then you kind of keep you on their mind, right? That's kind of the idea behind it. But I'm trying to find, people who are actively looking to buy or sell, right? So, like I said, I got two emails today, which is pretty good. So, people that are interested in getting a market analysis on their house, and then maybe they're going to consider selling. And if they like you and you do a market analysis and they appreciate, that you're putting in the work, then maybe they're going to, use you in future. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. So what up, G? Force Fed and Kyle in the house. Two bros. Hey, G-Rock, how you doing, bro? How you doing? Good to see you. It's been a couple minutes since I've seen G-Rock in the house. The force is strong with that one. Careful, Miss K's got the handcuffs out. Be careful, guys. Be careful. You're looking for 260 candle to short? Okay, well, that's good for me. I hope we get up there, because then I'll be out of this trade. And then you can short it to your heart's desire. So this is my latest funded account here. We got this trade going in. It's the 50K elite daily payout from Top One Futures. So earlier I took one trade. I ended up getting stopped out. I lost $50. Then I took another trade, got back to break even, and now I've been in this trade for quite some time here. 18:15 to a little over an hour and a quarter. I've been in this trade here. So you've been in Japan with your daughter? Oh, nice. That sounds amazing, bro. That sounds amazing. I got two hands free. Yeah. Sounds like looking for some handcuff action there, Miss K. Kyle is. Hey, there's Ryan, Entourage, Mr. Mark in the house. Don't know if I'm supposed to say that, but I did it anyways. No, I'm long. I'm long. Yeah, my kind of idea here was, you know, after we had this big push up here, I started buying the pullback. We found support off VWAP. That was my first entry. I could have scaled up. I could have got out of these two micros here with about $80 in profit. I didn't close it there. We ended up pulling back down here. I added two more contracts in this area here, so got my average price down a little bit. Kind of almost got to my stop. I had my stop sort of down here below the 180s, and then we kind of climbing again. So I'm hoping what they did here is they just kind of sucked in a lot of people into the shorts, thinking that we're going to go close the gap, and then we're going to push higher, maybe sweep these highs, and that'll be my exit. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for here. But hey, I ruined my life. Need your advice how to get up on my feet again. I have debt 30K and I have a job, but it's not enough to pay off my debt. How to improve my psychology? Oh, that's a tough one, bro. I feel for you. I feel for you. All I can say is if you're going to continue trading, you know, the best thing you can do is just take the pressure off your trading. I know it sucks being in debt, but what you would do is, don't trade to pay off the debt. Just keep trading with one micro. You don't add any more stress to your life through trading, right? Do your best to just, you know, minimize your spending, keep grinding at your work, and and just work on your trading skills. Once you start getting into a big buffer into your accounts, you know, you can maybe start scaling up a little bit. But I would say the best thing to do is just sort of take the pressure off of your trading, right? Don't try to fix it with trading, because if you try to fix it with trading, you're probably going to make it worse, to be honest. So just stay small and just keep grinding, slow and steady. Don't worry about trying to get 30K back right away. And yeah, minimize whatever your life costs are, and you know, adding pressure to trading, trying to pay that off is not going to help your situation for sure. Yeah, Ralph's also listening to the financial advice. Look, he's very focused right now. Yeah, I feel you, Abby. There's debt can be the worst thing, and so but the best thing you can do is just not try to fix it with trading, right? Because that's just going to make it worse. Just keep your size down, so the fact that if you lose a trade, it's not going to bother you about and try not to think about whatever debt you're in, right? Just focus on finding good trades, keep your size down, so that here's a good way to think about it is if you're in a trade and you can walk away for a few minutes, to go, do some dishes or whatever and come back to see your trade and not be worried about it, then that's how much size you should be trading with, right? Vertical smoothing in Bookmap, vertical smoothing. What is vertical smoothing? Is it moving the chart with the book? Vertical smoothing. Hello, Meow Cat Trades. Hey, how are you? Ralph loves you too. You're not sure it's supposed to help see the orders better or something. Just got it, so I'm just learning. Yeah, for sure, Avi. I feel you. This is all part of the grind, right? You're gonna have to go through really hard times in your life, and then if you just kind of stay focused on trading, and like I said, just keep the size small. Don't try to fix it with trading right now, and just over time, it'll work out. Small size, base hits. Try to lock in that profit, and just slowly grind your way back. Once you get a payout, or once you pass an eval, then you get a payout. Then maybe you're going to get 2 payouts, and then build up that buffer, and then maybe you can start going in with 2 or 3 micros, right? And continue building the buffer. If you're not feeling like you're there, like your psychological levels are filled, so that you have making good decisions, then don't trade that day, right? It's easy to say, but it's just kind of like something you got to try to do, right?
First light on the second screen, peanut blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides.
Dr. Hamad, hey, how are you? If you feel like you need to be in a trade, use a sim. Only use your live account when A+ trade presents. Yeah, try not to chase the highs. Don't buy the highs. Don't sell the lows, right? Unless you have a real serious good reason to do it. Don't chase it, right? Look for your setup and trade it. Ralph's not cooperating with the camera situation here, guys. I don't know what to do with this guy. He's like, I just want more snackies. And if you're really trying to pay off debt, stay with small wins. If you have the time, don't try to get it all at once. Most traders are not winning traders. It could be an expensive endeavor. Yeah, I can't. Well said, Ryan. Well said. Ryan's a good guy. He's only going to steer you in the right direction here. So, even though that's not even his real name. Well, it is his real name, but it's like. One more chance. Come on, boys. We need a closure above 228 here. Mark isn't even your real name? No? What the heck, man? You messing with us? What are you doing to us, bro? What are you doing to us here? I don't know, guys. I don't know if we, should I be playing the breakout here? I don't know. Maybe I should be taking profits up here because so far we haven't been making, we haven't been breaking out really, right? We do have orders up at 250. That's kind of the idea behind the trade here. But so we got a new 5-minute candle there. We're looking relatively bullish here, but kind of in a bit of an indecision area here. So maybe I should start scaling out. So yeah, the market's pretty slow, and we popped up once, twice, and kind of like rejected back down both times. So is this going to be sort of like these highs over here? Possibly, right? Especially because we're in a bearish fair value gap. So like I said, though, if we can get a closure above 228, I'll be confident that we're going to at least hit the 50s or get really close to the 50s. So these 3 contracts will be coming off at least at that point. Yeah, that's what we'll have to see. There seems like there's a lot of sellers up here, right? With all these big wicks up here. That's why I'm kind of like, maybe I should just be scaling out up here. I'm up $85. Could just lock that in, right? Don't know if it helps a lot, but sometimes it's a good idea to zoom out. It's very common. People have 30K debt. My car alone is 80K. A house is roughly 250. No need to worry yourself sick. Fair enough. Fair enough. Good point, Jerry. Yeah, 30K isn't the end of the world. If you just make some good life choices and, try not to spend excessive money on certain things, like limit how much money you're going to spend on prop firms, maybe cut back in other areas in your life and, try to pay the debt down because, whenever with everything that you can outside of having, as long as you can run your life. But everyone across Canada and US right now, with all the fuel costs, all the food costs, everything's so high. So I can totally see how it's easy to get kind of stuck in these debt situations. This guy's already back all the way over here. What are you doing now?
Karma is a bitch, she don't forget every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. I seen snakes turn friends in the.
Come on, boys, let's go 5-minute candle here. Let's push this one up. Come on, let's get a closure above 227 here. We have about 150 contracts to get up above 230.
Can't run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits.
Whoa, force fed. Whoa, buddy. Whoa. Calm down. Calm down. This is a PG-13 channel, man. Oh, there we go. Oh, we popped it. We popped it, though. We popped it, but we didn't close. Green bones and ham. Do I gotta put the apron on here? Oh, I don't like that, though. I don't like that. We can't be pulling back straight away. What the heck here, guys? You have to be up at 3:30 a.m., Chris? Damn, bro. You're an early riser lately. This is your sign you should be sleeping? What, the stream is on? Yeah, Ralph's pretty awake. Look at him. He's just fired up right now. He's like facing the camera. He's like, hey, what's going on? Where's my snackies? I want some snackies. So I did get some, I don't know if you guys heard earlier, but I did get some new eardrops for him. So it turns out we did the doctor did a sample or a culture from his ear, and it turns out we were treating it for yeast only, but there's bacteria and yeast, and that's why it's been bugging him so much. So now I got like new drops that are taking care of bacteria and yeast. So hopefully he's going to be better. He's already been better since I started these new drops. So I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in the second, fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call. Back to work Tuesday. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. Hey, Hectron's in the house. What up, Hectron? How you doing, buddy? There's OC. OC Big Dog in the house. What is wrong with my mouse? Oh, there we go. It wasn't showing any lights. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. What happened there? What is this? Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you. View source from StreamYard, eh? OCCC, what up, CEO? How you doing? Dad's gonna join us in a little bit today. I think he said he might pop in to say hi. We'll see though. Friday's 1x VWAP band close is 30,224. Okay, that's good. Come on, boys. Let's get a closure above here. Bring the dollars to Mr. Butcher here. OC's like, OC Dog Trainer's like, what up, Ryan? How you doing? What's up, bro? Good evening, Big T. Big T's in the house. TP1 hit. Heth. TP1 hit. Nice. Come on, let's go. Let's go, NQ. You got a huge what? You got a huge what, Red? Don't say that. You're naughty. Just kidding. Just kidding, bro. We respect those previous band levels a lot. That's fair. That's fair. 1 micro. Nice. Yeah, Butcher night, Sunday night. You know how we do. Got that 25K Lucid Flex giveaway tonight, guys. Once we hit that 100 likes, you know, our Sunday nights, we like to hit 100 likes to do it. We currently have about 91 people in the stream already, 86 people in YouTube, 5 people in X. Usually get a few people showing up sort of like a little bit around this time, so should be good. Hi, Tam. What's up, bro? What's up? Lucid 250K giveaway. Let's go. Oh, yeah, that would be beautiful. I wish. Do they even have a 250K account? You think that's why we had those big red candles earlier? Yeah, pretty slow price action. Jane, I agree. You're long. Yeah, ES is probably extra slow. Come on, let's keep a closure above this bearish fair value app. If we can just close this above 228, please. We've got 1 minute left on this candle. Maybe I should actually bring this other TP sort of like just to the top of this candle here. We'll just target both of them right there. We'll get 3 out of the 4 off there and see if we can't leave a runner here. ES is jammed. Oh, I don't like that. Let me see ES here. Are we going to
promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line.
Ooh, yeah, it's stuck at previous day's New York VWAP there. Friday's New York VWAP. ES is. Dow is bearish. NQ is looking okay still. Maybe I shouldn't be targeting the highs here, guys. I don't know if we're going to get there, to be honest. I think I might take one off here anyways, just to de-risk a little bit. See if we can't just get this one off. I took one off there. We'll change that to 3. Just de-risk a little bit here if we decide to roll over. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Yo Jim. Maybe see him move back to 205. Don't say that. Don't say that. I really wanted to see a closure above that, though. So you think maybe I should take one more off here? I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, I think I'm going to try to take one more off here. I don't know. Just de-risk a little bit here again. Okay, we got 2 contracts left. So I locked in about $40 profit. We have about 50 floating right now. So yeah, that's what I'm starting to get a little worried about. Clee is that we could be getting a pullback here. Fawn's in the house. I like my moves faster than not. If I'm waiting around, I'll just exit and get back in later. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But sometimes these slow grinders are easy, though. You know, they're not too stressful, anyways. Why does Realm keep moving? I'm gonna have to move the camera instead of moving Realm. There we go. And you know what? I'm going to put my stop here. That way, I'll just protect this position. Worst case scenario, we're going to lock in a little bit of G's. Dave, are you looking at the 15-minute and 1-hour fair value gap below? I do have those. I do have a couple marked out here. I haven't marked any of these new ones out, but yeah. We're getting a scammer right now. Of course we are. I hear so many hit him with the bat hammer. Boom. Bammed. Banned. What is this dog doing, teacher? Are you talking about the market, or what are you talking about? They're quick, aren't they, eh? They just like go through every channel and just spam, 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 spam. And not the kind in a can. Yeah, we have a gap at 155. I was hoping. This is what I was thinking here, guys. I don't know. Tell me if I could be totally off, but so we've been pretty bullish, right? We've been above the VWAP over and over. We did finally break through, but we found support down here at the lows. And then we broke up with some pretty high volume and high strength, right? And then we kind of swept some here. So this would signal to shorts. Let's get in short, right? So they're going to start taking shorts. They're going to get all the way down here, and they're going to be targeting the gap, right? We get down here, we stall out, and we start going higher. So trapping all these people, these participants that are in this area, thinking we're going to get some continuation lower, and now we're going to head back up to the highs. That was kind of my idea behind the trade. Although I was in earlier, I didn't take profits up here. I should have, but I was kind of like hoping we were going to just get a pullback and then continuation higher, which we didn't really get. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Be nice if I could lock in a little bit more money on these last two contracts, though. So Discord's going off. Remind you you're late for the show. Nice. You got to go tuck some kids in. Be back later. All right, Ryan. See you in a bit. Zero Skills in the house. What up? Hey, Lilish. Hey, thanks for getting that, Chris. We also have the gap to fill. Like the stream chat. Help our boy Dave out. Promote the channel. Hit the bell to all. Look at this guy. Working so hard. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. We don't seem to get too many, at least. Yeah, not that many spammers, right? Effing BOTS. Yes. Yeah, Discord going off. Okay. I love me some spam Musubi. Nice. Spam Musubi is the best. I don't even know what spam Musubi is. What is that? Let me look this up. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. You know what I like? I like just spam in hot pot. But those look really good. It's just like rice with spam wrapped in seaweed. Damn, that looks good. That looks good. Philanthropist in the house. 30,250 to 30,290 is key support area. Supply area. Gotcha. We need to see those Japanese Wagyu bowls. Yeah, got to wonder what the success rate of this scammer is. Got to be close to 0. Well, if they ever get one, it's worth all their work, you know. Miss K finally found that lost Torres. Oh yeah. So many, yo, Jim. No, Jim, not a cat. Huh. It's hard for me to believe. You never can trust this guy. He's always changing it. Yeah, I could see how Sriracha would work real good. on that, Jerry. Hey, what's up, Bud Nugget? These gay ass glasses protect my eyes from the streaming lights, and they're blue blocking. But thanks for the comment. No need to get involved, everybody. No need to get involved. With a name like that, it's hard to get offended, you know? But how's your night going, Mr. Nug? How you doing? By the way, I have the same glasses. They blue block light. Yes, they do. They do. And it's you know, when you got these streaming lights like blasting in your face, you got to have at least some sort of gay glasses on, right? I mean, I could put these ones on. How much more nerdy do I look when I put these ones on? Tell me how I look. Look how nerdy I look now. Like, hey guys. Now, if you're making fun of me with these glasses, I would totally get it. I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you. In 2026, GA glasses are okay. Yeah, that's true. Okay, we got the closure there, guys. We got the candle closure above the fair value gap. So we currently now have an inverted fair value gap, like right here. It's a giant one. It's a giant one. Blasting in your face is gay. Pause. Gonna lock a little bit more in here just in case this thing decides. You know what though? I should probably not, because it's probably gonna retest the middle of this gap here. Now that we inverted it. It's a giant one. Pause again. The Bono glasses are better than the Drew Carey glasses. Yeah. Bono. Let's run a poll, guys. I'm curious.
Trust your edge. Execute.
The market owes me nothing, just possibility. My job's not prediction.
All right, guys, check out the poll I just posted there. Let me know your thoughts. Running those polls. Pause. Damn it.
Let's go.
New day, new edge. Here we go. Morning light.
Most important question of the night, guys, is the poll right now. They definitely help a bit, Jerry. Just like I said, especially because I got like, you know, these two. I got two like streaming lights that are like pretty bright in the face. I even have them set at low. Are they? Yeah, I think so. There we go. Crank them up here. So that's bright. Oh, that's bright. Kind of don't need them on full blast though. It's a little excessive. Here we go, boys and girls. Let's see this go. Where do you guys want to take that short again? What did Clee say earlier? Beets are amazing and healthy to detox the liver. Yeah. Fresh roasted are yum. So we're getting a bit of a mixed. We got a 50-50 on the beets, guys. We got 51% say they like beets and 49 say no beets. So that's awesome. Where's your duck deal, Soul? Once we hit 100 likes, we'll be doing the duck race here. So make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't already. We are currently at, let's see, 52 likes. We're halfway there already. Good job, guys. Thank you for that. Another VWAP test on ES. Come on, let's go NQ. Just pop it up here into the 40s. Come on, come on, come on. We need one of those BCs in the house. BBC, big boner candle. What do you think of Michael J. Huddleston? Huddleston? Michael J. Huddleston. I can't even say I know who that is. Oh, you mean the ICT? Is that the ICT guy? He's an ICT champ. All right. Uh-oh. Getting a deeper pullback here. Come on. Don't be the... Is that really the high? 235. ICT demo baller. Google Dave Asprey. I have no comment on the bro that you're bringing up, just because this is the first time I've seen him. So I haven't really been I don't study that much about ICT. I just picked up a couple concepts that are renamed by ICT, right? Oh, is Dave Asprey the guy who is 25 years old or something biologically? It's way too complicated. Yeah, no losing trades. He only showing winning trades with long videos and get more people to watch so he can get money out of YouTube. Very simple and smart. Okay. Your short's about to get cooked, Jerry? Damn, bro. I don't think there is a holy grail trading strategy out there. Any strategy will have fail days and need to be managed. Yes. Oh, he has a. That guy has a disease now. The Dave Asprey. Damn. Clever portrait mode. Wave logic in the house. Wave logic 0. Portrait mode. Oh, like having Ralph on there, you mean? You like having Ralph on the stream or what? Ralph likes being on the stream with everybody here. The guy who's biologically younger and trying to live forever has a disease. Oh, damn. Sorry to hear that. Figures, right? Hey, Noi. What's up, Noi? Noi. No, I'm not Mexican. I'm Canadian, eh? I was born in Winterpeg, Manitoba, and I moved my way across through the prairies, and now I'm here out on the West Coast.
Looking for the secret. The secret is born. Percent. 1%. So money still get paid. One more trade, one more day. 1%. Protect the capital, build the dream. Nothing's ever what it seems. 1% again. Tomorrow.
Let's see here. Ralph looks like he wants to make a point or say something. Yeah, he's like, "What are you doing, man? You're ignoring me over here. It's better to be paid in dollars by props, or do you get killed on the exchange rates?" I get paid in USD, right? Like I get USD transferred to my account, so it gets converted into Canadian eventually. But so I mean, yeah, exchange rate isn't ideal, but it's all good. It's all good. It's nice to be earning USD though. I'm actually waiting for my TPT payout to show up in my Wise account. Oh, it's there. Payouts there, boys and girls. I wonder, can I show you guys this? Yeah, I can. I guess I can show you guys this. Doesn't have information here. Let's see here. Transaction. As you can see here. Oh, damn. See, 501 USD. Take profit trader. In my Wise account here. That's sweet. That's sweet. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of USD, yo, Jim. If you mean what I think you mean, which I'm not talking about the dirty aspect, but USD is way better than the CAD. However you want to take that. 1%. Hey, thank you, thank you. Well, you know, I'm a real estate agent, so I do trade almost full time. You know, I'm live Monday to Friday for market open, and then I also trade Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday evenings. So, I mean, I kind of trade full time, but I'm also a real estate agent. Like today, I went out and knocked on doors and delivered about 100 and a little bit over 100 flyers to drum up some more clients. See, check it out. Buying or selling. This kind of little flyer that I produced, and then I send it out. Go knock on doors, deliver it, try to find some more clients. And yeah, I got 2 emails today. 2 emails of people that are interested in potentially selling. So I'm gonna have to send them a little intro email, and then also do a comparative market analysis on their property. So if any of you guys are in the Lower Mainland area and you're looking to sell your house, I can definitely help you out. Has a market vibe in the real estate job? You're selling your house spring 2028, right before the Olympics? Nice. Well, you can work on both sides, Yo Jim. So you can be a buyer or a seller. So let me switch up this song now. I think it just ended. So ideally what happens is I meet a client, we sell their house, and then after we sell their house, we also go buy a house. That's the ideal way. Then you can have two deals in a row. So it's better to be a listing agent if possible, right? Buying or selling? Yeah, both. Market Butcher getting all the Canadian chicas with that flyer, eh? You like that? You like that? Check out that picture. It looks pretty good, right? Buying or selling? I'm here to help. Used to underwrite commercial properties in your last role. Nice. I've been involved in like two commercial real estate deals. Highly favored trading, and you're a real estate agent in Florida. Just mention Butcher and he'll get a referral fee. Oh, that's nice. Thanks, bro. It's better to wait for spring, or you can just get a much in fall. Oh, looks good. Wow, I'm moist. Keith, calm down, bro. Calm down. This guy making me all flustered. Am I blushing right now? If I leave where I'm at, I'm going back to the RV life. There you go, Chris. That RV life is probably pretty good, don't you think? I'm arranging a small group LLC to buy the building I'm in, but our broker is raising my blood pressure. Oh, yeah. Keith Matthew. You too, Keith? What does that mean, Cleve? Did it work, Cleve? Did it work? I'm here to help. Yeah, I'm here to help. Whatever you need. You're selling your house. Should you wait for spring? Usually people want to be done buying and selling before winter, right? But that being said, I mean, I would say it depends on the market in your area, how strong it is and whatnot, right? You exited the market with 50 cents till payout level? Gonna be shooting me. Damn, bro. Just buy the bid and sell the ask. 1 micro. And hopefully you get enough off the commission too. Or the fees. But don't blow it. Make sure you stop that thing with like a $10 drawdown or something. I thought we agreed on PG-13. Stop showing that flyer on screen. I loved it. I ended up living with the girlfriend. She wants a house. I do miss having the garden. Yeah. I mean, that's fair. That's good, OC. That's good. I know you don't. I just heard so many stories. It's more of a representation for other people. Oh, you're done with that phase? Nice. Yeah, for sure. If you need a property in Vancouver area, anywhere in British Columbia, pretty much. I got you. Famous last words. Don't jinx them. You've blown 1,000 evals / hundreds. Ooh, fundeds. Damn, bro. Hopefully it's not official, not actually 1,000. Hopefully you're exaggerating a bit there. Butcher, any resting orders MNQ current price? Yes, we have orders up at 237, 235, 240, 245, and 250, all above. The most notable is up at 250. That's kind of why I got some TPs up here, but we're kind of struggling to get through these this 235 area. Too much FOMO or YOLO, that's a lot of accounts. You still blow evals because F it, but I can never blow fundeds anymore. Oh, that's good for you, man. That means you've grown in your trading journey. That's great. I love that. Did you taste any of the chickens yet, or only TPing the eggs? Yeah, I have a freezer with like, I think I have about 10 or 12 birds left in the freezer. So. It's all VWAP and MES? Yeah. You guys like this song? Who Let the Dogs Trade? Frank and Ralph all day? You're short from where I'm long? Oh, bro. Well, it might still play out for you towards London, because we do have the gap, right? We do have the gap. Come on, NQ. Just get a little pop here. Just take out these contracts. I'm going to put one up here just because. We'll try to leave one on. You think you're going to try a short? I'm kind of almost thinking I need to take one more micro off here. Currently up $80 in these last 2 micros. 126 total. You're not sure who snores louder, the cat or the GF? Don't let her say that. Nice. Good job, OC. Good job. I did the same thing before, but it was for an eval, and I was like literally 10 cents away from passing it. I'm like, are you kidding me? 10 cents? Yeah, beautiful way to start a Monday. Love it. Congrats. You know what that deserves, right? You know what that deserves? You get one of these. Hey, trading game, how you doing? Like the stream, everybody. You hear? That's my. Do you like the fa that I made up? So I got Sono to make this voice sound, and this is what it came out when it. It's like ba ba ba. You're up 0.90 on the session. Looking for group. Nice, bro. Nice. It's better than up zeros. Better than up zero. Green is green, right? Bahumtug? Come on, NQ. Let's do it. Do it. Take some of those orders. I'm gonna actually move this to like 39.75. Green and greed. Ooh. What song is this one? I can't even remember. Let's go. Adam Daz, what up? Locking out and going to get some penny candies. Nice. Just got an Apex email. 50K intraday, no activation fee. $49 all in. 100K intraday, no activation fee. $59 all in. Wow, that's a pretty good deal. Roy Jones can't be touched. Hey, Randy Trades in the house. How you doing, bro? How we doing on the likes, guys? Are we gonna get this giveaway going? $72 likes so far. We're almost there. About 25 to go. Hey, Adam, everything's going all right. It's going all right. I just wish we'd break this highs here, but we keep getting little pullbacks here. Did you try Shelby shawarma? Did you try it? No. I did not. Sellers, come on. Apex also has a 90% off sale to the end of the 25th. Oh, nice. One more trade, 7 trades ago. You should try it. Don't put the ketchup on it. Remember, I warned you. Really?
One more setup. Wait for it. Don't click. Respect VWAP.
Come on, NQ. Pop the highs here. You can do it. You would not buy an Apex account with his money? I've already lost 130K payout to the Apex? Really? 2 cent trading? You think there's a big dump coming?
I smiled.
Really?
I hope not. Eight trades ago now? Pretty much, if it's not in, it will be in a week. Nice. Yep. Well, that's crazy. Sorry to hear that. You made too much money, I guess. We dumped already? That's what I thought. I'm like, I thought we already kind of tried to dump and we made a higher low. So that's why I'm feeling pretty confident we're going to go higher here. Maybe we're going to tap this order pretty soon. Let's see. We just tapped into the 34s. We need a little momentum here, though, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Pullback, I don't dump. VWAP doesn't seem to be flattening out now. Yeah, it's kind of up, right? Come on, let's go. Let's get up to those 40s here right now. Right now. Just NQ just needs to sneeze higher here. Oh, that sucks for keeps. Well, if you did it before, you can do it again. It never filled the gap up from the start. Wondering if he'll go back to that tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, Rybrilla. Maybe in London session. I don't see why not, right? Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Give it to us. Give it to us here. No, don't pull back. Should I not be a D for a T and just take this or what? 36, 36, 20, 236, 235. Some orders coming on there above. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to take this one off here. Okay, we got 1 micro left. We got 1 micro left. Took that with some volume there, 72 micros, 72 contracts. Gonna put the stop just below this wick here. I'm down bad from trying to ride that dump to the gap and hold too long and reverse back up. Yeah, I know, bro. I did take a short earlier. I took a short here. I ended up stopping it out, and then funny enough is I took a long after that and got my profit or my loss back. And then this thing hole happened and we popped up. So this was my signal here that sort of the bulls are taking over, right? And then, you know, we kind of like rejected off these highs. But then I ended up getting in long on this candle. And I added in a couple bullish fair value gaps on the way down here. Brought my average price down a little bit, got into 4 micros. But what really made me happy about this trade is that we did not break these lows here. So I had my stop down here originally was like a couple ticks or like a point below 180 originally. I've moved it up since then. But yeah. Move this stop up a little bit more here. NQ Algo is hunting you? Yeah. Hey, thanks, Chris. Chris is vibing for the stream here. Low key trying to get us likes. I feel like if we can get through these 250s with some momentum, this thing's just gonna rocket up here. It's just gonna rocket to the TP. We just need to break through these 45s and 50s next. We have about about 250, almost 300 contracts right in this area, between 240 and 250. But we just need a big buyer to step in here and just blast us off here. We have 124 contracts up to 30,300. Dave, thank you for the bookmap levels. Made a quick scalp on the upside, 3 micros. Appreciate it. Hey, you're welcome, Scalptor. Good job. It's all you, bro. It's all you. You got the plan. You got the strategy. You're trading your trades. Good job. Your TP hit. Nice, Dr. Himat. Good job. Good job. Here we go. Pushing up into those 40s again here. See if we can't break through those 40s up into the 48s, up to the 50s. Doctor, you know you're in the vertical stream, right? You can come hang out in the full-size stream if you want a better view of everything. Just FYI. It's like the stream. Oh, it's also because you need to sleep, Chris. So, yeah. $258 might be a good place to cut it. Well, I have my order at $258.75 right now. Power later. How we doing on the likes here? How we doing? 83 likes, guys. 83. Nice. Very nice. 2,080 subscribers. We're about to break over the 2,100 level. That's pretty awesome. We currently have about 150 people watching. Let's see, 143 in YouTube and 6 in X. Good to see you, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. You got a 4-hour ride to the airport in the morning? Damn. Another buy volume ball there, or is that the same one from earlier? Some orders coming on there at 270 right now. Send beat pics. Thank you for the super chat, man. Thank you. Beat pics in the house. There you go. Oh, you want those actual beat pics, eh? The red veggie. Thank you for the super chat, though. I appreciate that so much. Thank you. Giveaway or not yet? I have to take off to work now. No, sorry, Dio. We're still waiting to hit that target on the lights. But hey, jump on your phone, and as long as you're around, you can claim it. Usually we end up doing the giveaway closer to like about an hour from now, typically.
Good night, everybody.
You got to go to work. What time is it where you are?
Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Oh, getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy.
Here we go. We're going to go. We're going to go. Come on. Big BC, let's go. BBC, big B candle. Big boner candle here. Let's go.
Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we
Might get a pullback to 35.
War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep. But then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on.
Oh, not liking that though. Well, we did this earlier too. Formed a big wick and then we refilled it. So let's see if they're going to do it now. Maybe they are. Now that they set London highs. Oh yeah, sorry. In Jordan, nice. That's cool. Jordan is a cool place. So I don't have always the best memory for. I try my best, but there's a lot of people in the chat. So what price is NQ at right now? It is 30,241. You think we're gonna get a 218 retest? We do have a bullish fair value gap and an inverted fair value gap all right there. I don't know. I'm not really convinced we're done this push yet, so we'll see. We still have 143 contracts up at 20 or 250, 30,250. I should probably be taking off closing this trade at 250 actually, you know? I'm gonna adjust my TP there down to 250. See if we can't get out of this guy. You think it'll be 270 and then drop like Friday? Yeah, it could. That's a previous day high, right? I know that was my original target. Well, I was looking at previous day high.
Close the gap, yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep. But then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on MES, yeah, 7123 ATM.
Hey, thanks to any new subscribers there. We just got 3 subscribers since I looked last. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Got 138 people watching right now, 83 likes. Let's see, actually, I need to refresh it. You're hating the low volume? I mean, it is Sunday night, so we gotta work with what we got. 90 likes, guys, 90 likes. Nice job. Thank you for that. Ryan, occasionally I do take some, like I did take a couple trades earlier here before the stream started. I took one loser and one winner, and then I've been trading. I've been in this trade now from 18:15 to 2 hours and 15 minutes. I've been in this long for. It's like watching a caterpillar climb a tree. Yeah. I agree. This is my average price here was right here. So I had one entry here, like 2 micros on this candle. We popped up. I could have sold it for about an $80 winner, and then I ended up getting like two more add-ins here. I was down at around 150 drawdown down here, but I had my stop below 180. Basically, like if we failed these lows to go lower, I would have been out of that trade. And then we were stalling out here a bit, so I ended up scaling out 2 contracts there. I scaled out 1 contract there. I got 1 left, just trying to see if I can't hit that TP. We got our stop locked in profit. So worst case scenario here, I'm gonna make, you know, whatever. This is 30 points, so $60 on this last micro. Worst case scenario, or $100. So got a 50 point TP up here. So a 30 or a 50 TP right now. So yeah, there is a gap below. There's a gap below. But I was in the long because I saw this nice strong candle here, which was a take of the value area high, and a pretty high volume too. So that just made me convinced that we're in a bullish sentiment. Although we did get a strong pullback, we bounced up. We made basically a higher low right here. So that just made me convinced that we're going to go higher. So it made me hold this trade longer. Kind of feel like I should probably just trail my stop up here now. Either this thing's going to go or it's not. I'm okay if it takes me out here. It didn't really fall below it. Yeah. Yeah, 190 area. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm out of that trade now. I just got stopped out in the money on that last contract. So nice little trade, $158 here on 4 micros. This is a brand new Top 1 Futures Elite Daily account, one that I just passed on Friday. So good start there, locked in 150 on this new funded account. So not bad, not bad. It's probably still going to go higher here, but you know, I'm content with that. Kind of wish I didn't scale out earlier, but it's all good. I was just taking some risk off. It looked like it was stalling out here. This could have like easily rolled over and gave me like no profit. So stupid ES, I exit it and it goes higher. Of course, that's how it always works. Yeah, I probably choked it out with a stop there. We're gonna hit those 50s for sure. Not financial advice or anything, but Cam the Carnivore, what's up? How do I use Bookmap, Pacha? Well, I use Bookmap as like a confluence, right? I don't just see orders on Bookmap and say, let's go long to get those orders, right? What I do is I'll formulate my trade idea off of the charts. And then I'll use the orders on Bookmap as a confirmation, right? So if I'm thinking, you know, we popped up here, I was thinking bullish. So I kind of like thought, you know, let's start entering long on a pullback. We got the pullback here. This was my first entry. We ended up pushing up. I could have sold it here for about an $80 winner on those first 2 micros. Ended up getting a pullback indecision candle, and then this one came down really quick. So I ended up adding into it in a bullish fair value gap. And I did face a little bit of drawdown here on this guy. Put my stop below 180. but I knew that we had orders up at 250, and I think there were some at 300. So that just kind of like made me think that if we are going to hold this low here, we're probably going to be heading higher up to at least to these 250 area. And that was kind of this trade idea. So that's how I use Bookmap, is just as a confluence in the trade, right? So if you see, if your trade plan formulates a long or a short, and then you look at the Bookmap and then there's orders above or below, that's kind of like the idea. Hey, you're welcome. 114 contracts here at 237. Well, I guess 72 and 42, and then over here we got 62 contracts at 241. Got these orders at 250. We got some up at 270. Some coming on at 280 there, a little bit thicker, and then we got some at 300, 30,300. And look at that, 400. We got 135 contracts up there. You think those are spoofing orders? I mean, I don't see any algo lines in it. So if you notice, if there's ever a white line on the book map here in any of these orders, like a vertical white line, that means that it's probably controlled by one entity and possibly an algorithm, or possibly they're going to pull it off. So I don't see. Oh, see, you can see up here, these ones up here at 270. You can see there's sort of these white lines right there. Might be a little bit hard to see, but there's some white lines in there. So this is possibly algorithm orders, right? Or at least someone with a large account that has a lot of contracts in there, because it's when there's a white line that everything from the white line to the left is all controlled by one entity. So it's like one huge order. So when you see one huge order, they might just pull those orders off last second before price gets through there. So yes, I do. I use an anchored VWAP, Ryan. So what I do is, as you can see, this little one right here, this is the anchored VWAP. You can find it on the left-hand side over here, right here, anchored VWAP. So you just click that and then you drag it over to the market open here, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, drop it off. And that's what this red line is here. So I usually run this blue line right here is previous days or Friday's New York VWAP. And then this light blue one is Thursday's New York VWAP. So I usually keep on the 2 previous days VWAPs just to like have some more levels. And then I put my New York or my overnight VWAP on only one of them. So I don't keep, Friday's overnight VWAP on. And this just helps us build the bias, right? So golden rule, guys, if you're above the VWAP and you're above the point of control, previous day's point of control, you pretty much should be looking for longs. So you're buying pullbacks, looking for support levels to take it higher. And then to line up these, orders on the book map that are all higher, that's kind of giving me the confluence to say that we're probably going to be a relatively strong bullish movement. I mean, we're slow. It's a low volume, but if you guys noticed before in the past, if you ever have these really tight candles and they just often will just grind up like this for like quite a long time. Happens all the time. So if you ever notice the candles getting really tight and we just keep making new highs, like it's pretty good for the bulls to be in control, and vice versa for the bears, right? So what about weekly? No, I don't use a weekly. I just use my anchored VWAPs only. So from Friday to Sunday open, yeah. No, I don't use those. So the value area, POC value area are really strong. Yes, of course, yeah. So how I do that is you set your time frame to the 30-minute time frame. You go in here. I got session volume profile, which you can download to your chart from the indicators, just turn that guy on, right? I look at previous day's price action right here. So we got these 3 lines right there, 1, 2, and 3. The middle one is going to be your PLC. The bottom one is value area low. Top one's value area high. Just label those guys up, and then you got some important levels now. If price is in that area, you know we're in value, and if we start getting out of those areas like we are right now, we're in price discovery, right? So you know, bulls are in control. Good chance we're going to continue higher. Maybe we're looking for resistance up here, previous day high, or even before that. We'll have to see. You know, sometimes those new hourly candles, which is coming up in here in less than a minute here, guys, about a minute. So be aware of this next candle. What's going to happen here? It could be a volatile candle. Anyways, born hunting. Are you guys looking to buy or sell real estate? Market Butcher here, trying to sell your house, help you get into your dream home. I'm the Market Butcher in more than one sense. All right, 15 seconds here till the new 5-minute candle here, which is the hourly candle. Be aware, be aware. So this is a midnight open candle. So I'm going to mark this guy off right away here. Yep, midnight open OC. In real life, no blue blockers. Yeah. TP3 hit. There you go, Mr. Himat. Dr. Himat. Let's go. Tony Gold in the house. Do you have any trap houses for sale? Trap houses? I'm not exactly sure what that is, but it doesn't sound very good. 134 watching, 97 likes. Come on, guys. Need 2 more likes. We're at 98 likes, 97 likes. 3 more likes. 98 likes. 2 more and we're good. We're good. There we go. We got 100. All right. Okay. I'll give you guys a last chance here. We'll give you guys about 5 minutes here. I'll show you what's up. Last chance here. We're gonna do the giveaway here pretty quick. So here is this is a person I just banned, by the way. Some blonde girl, CF Fault 0744. Bye-bye. Anyways, head over to join the Discord on the pinned comment in the chat there, in the YouTube chat on the or on the main stream. Sorry. Go to the giveaway entry here. Either scroll to the very top, or an easier way is to click this little pinned button, pinned comment button at the very top right here. Click that. It'll bring down a little drop down menu here. In there is a Google Docs form. So click that Google Docs form, and that'll give you a form where if you fill it out, you'll be entered into the 25K Lucid Flex giveaway. So yeah, give you guys about 5 minutes here. If you want to click that, get into that form, you get a chance to win a 25K account. Hey, it looks like we got a few people popping into the stream or into the Discord here. We got Abby 27, Taylor, Little Trump, SGFC, Dawson, Tryby 9809, Too Fast Johnny, and 2 Cent Trading in the house. Thanks for joining, everybody. I appreciate it. Welcome to the community. Feel free to post any of your questions or anything you guys want to do in the in the chart channel, or if you have any questions, we have a coach's corner at the very bottom. Feel free to ask any questions in the coaching area there. We often put out mindset tips and just update you guys on the live stream schedule. Yeah, 2-cent trading. I like it. He's got two pennies for an image. And he looks like it's an American penny. Canada doesn't even have pennies anymore, guys. This is pretty sad. So, hey, let's close this. So we got 50. Sorry, guys. The no beats lost, guys. Just so you know, more people like beats than they dislike them. We got 57% that like beats and 43% that don't like beats. What do you guys say about that? That's the question of the night right there. Beats or no beats? I would add to the beats, but I can't answer my own poll. Right, Brilla, just go to the Discord, right? Here, I'll show you one more time here. So go into the Discord and then go to the giveaway channel here, right? And then once you're in the giveaway channel, up on the on the right-hand corner of this window here, you can see like a little pinned icon. Click that little pinned message icon, and that'll bring the drop down. And then here's the Google Docs form. So it should be pretty easy for you to find. Just click that little pinned message here in the giveaway channel and fill that out. And then you'll get an entry into the duck race tonight. We just popped the 250s. There you go. Look at that. TP would have been hit. Beats by Dre only. Nice. Pickled beets are fine. Yeah, pickled beets are good. Beets are good for blood. Yes. Pacha, just hit into the Discord like I just showed it. Go into the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top there. Fill it out. It's very good for you. Yes. I thought the question was for music, not or no music. Music or no music? Really? No, like beats like the food. No, the food. BEETS, not BEATS. Look at NQ. Oh, it's a yeah. If you already responded, then you're in there. So don't worry about that. You only need to fill it out one time. You've heard beets are a good aphrodisiac? Really? I didn't know. Yeah, you probably did last week. Ralph looks bored, guys. Hey, his eyes are open and he's not sleeping. What is going on? You beats on your wife and she already is a vegetarian when I marinated her? You're a funny guy, Mr. Yo Jim. Yo Jim in the house. All right, here, let's see. So we got 105 entries in the Discord for the Sunday giveaway here. So I'm gonna get that form going here. We'll give you like 3 more minutes, and then we're gonna do that giveaway here. Oh, you thought it was for music? You would change. Oh, too late. The red beats wins. Yes, sir, Mr. Round Trade Jim. you just Googled it, and in fact, beets are an aphrodisiac. Learned something today. Well, oh, did you search beets music or beets like the food, because you spelt it like the music? Gotcha. I mean, I like beets. They taste good. They're just a little scary when you go to the bathroom after, because they add a little bit of color to your, like oysters. I don't think that poll was fair. I'm sure many people thought they were talking about Beats by Dre. LOL. Redo. Well, I'm glad I made it so that we got the right answer that we were looking for anyways. Looks like we got a couple more people popping into the Discord. Rumblefish, Vins, Hunting Pips, and Chen War. So we got about a minute here, 1 or 2 more minutes here to get this form filled out, guys. We got 109 people so far. Talon King just signed in. Beats by Dre could be a healthy thing. He may need to invest in that. Yeah. Hey, David Orozco. Good evening. Talon King Coons, what's up? Some beat juice with Cialis, game changer. Oh my god, really? Double whammy. Excite analysis here. Excity? 8 green, 5-minute candles. Geez, just close 1 neutral. What are you looking for, a short, Kyle, or what? Good night, Dave. See you in the morning. Hey, Skelter, we're about to do the giveaway here in a minute. If you want to stick around, just a couple minutes. Hello, David. My duck doesn't like beat in anymore. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna upload this form here to the Discord or to the chat GPT. Get this thing going here. Download CSV file. Open up my chat GPT. Duck race entries.
Chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Marky Butcher Squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove, dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W. We don't fold here, yeah, we push right through. Half the chat short of the half long. Still hitting play, still singing.
Hello, sir. I'm from India. I'm watching your stream, your live stream from the first time. Hey, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Oh, analysis forecasts. Yeah, you're welcome to join for sure. I was in a long earlier, so I was in long sort of in this area. Pulled back on me quite a bit. My stop was a little bit down below these 80s here. I started scaling out here in the 26 area, and then 41, and then the last one got trailed out also in the 40s area. So that was my trade analysis on the session. What's Ralph doing? Ralph's getting up here. Okay, so we got 109 form submissions, a couple duplicates that we removed, 5 additional people removed, so 100 clean entries. We got a bunch of bonus ducks. Okay, there we go. It's on the Discord, Christine. So it wasn't in the chat. Have you filled out the form on the Discord? So it's the one on the Discord. If you have already entered that one recently, you should be good to go. It says that you're on the form, so you're good. I just asked ChatGPT. You're in there. Sounds good. Sounds good. And you had an extra duck also, Christine. So you got 2 ducks. Okay, let's get this race going here.
We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Marky Butcher squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove, dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W, we don't fold here, yeah, we push right through. Half the chat short, other half long. Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, Butcher, yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the like button, keep the stream alive. Missed entry by 2 points, yeah, we been there. Nice pullback, gang, waiting, sitting.
Okay, we got 150 entries here.
Then we step in calm while the market storms. Oil turning, crypto falling down. Still finding setups in the middle of the town. From Surrey to the Philippines online. Whole chat global, but we trade one mind. Past 2 evils, yeah, that's big wins. Still got runners, let the trend begin. Even when it's messy, we stay composed. No revenge trades, yeah, we stick to the code. We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax.
All right, let's set this here. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Good luck to the winner here for a 25K Lucid Flexi Val. Just keep in mind, guys, if you do win, you lose your extra ducks. They're going to be taken off the form. You can only win 1 Sunday in a row. So if you win today, you won't be able to win next Sunday. But if you end up with only 1 or whatever ducks you have on the future one, there's always a chance to win again. You got to be in a country that you're allowed to trade Lucid with, obviously, to get one of the giveaways, and you got to be here to claim the reward. So Good luck here, everybody. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thanks for the support throughout the week. You know, if you guys got extra ducks, you know you've been supporting the channel, coming here, watching the live stream throughout the week, getting in those extra duck races. So as a reward, in a way, we give you guys those. So good luck here. All right, let's go. Here we're off. Quack. Quack. You're in Uganda? Oh yeah, sure, Kyle. Sure, Kyle. Good luck here. Hey, Casa Monero, welcome to the stream. My name's Dave. Oh, sorry, I missed your comment there earlier. So sorry if you're a little bit late. So what I would say is for you is there's a pinned comment there in the chat, right? Scroll, you know, at the bottom of the comment section in the channel there. Click that link. That'll take you to the Discord. Once you're in the Discord, head over to the giveaway channel. Once you're in the giveaway channel, find the pinned comment at the very top of the chat. So scroll all the way to the very top of the channel there. Fill out the form on the giveaway channel in the Discord, and that'll put you in for every Sunday race that we have, because I only get enough accounts to give away one per Sunday. Who's going to win here? Looks like Adam Daz going to take this W right here, guys. Congrats, Adam Daz. Look at that. Hey, this guy. Congrats, man. Yeah, so head over to the Discord, go into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top where the pinned comment is, fill out the form in the Discord. You'll be entered into all of the Sunday races. So, oh man, finally, look at this guy. Woo! There you go. Congrats, Adam. Congrats. So close, Zero? Were you like second place or what? Adam, Moonboy, Wilson, Montejayesh, It's Macho, Chris, Sat. Congrats there, guys. What we'll do is we'll do a couple more races here just to, you know what? Actually, we're gonna clear this because what I want to do is we're gonna put a new form in the chat here, and then we'll do a couple duck races to give you guys some extra ducks into next Sunday race. So let me just quickly pop out a new form here for you guys. Just give me a sec here. I'll pump out this form. We'll do a duck race for some extra duck races or ducks for next Sunday. So extra ducks for Sunday race. Name, email, YouTube name. Country and comments. Okay, let's publish this guy. I'll get this guy in the chat. So get ready, guys, in the chat there. We're going to have the form posted here. And we'll do a couple. We'll give away 3-ish more ducks. So quickly fill out that form that I just posted in the chat. And we'll get another duck race going here for some extra ducks into the future Sunday races. Just to say thanks for hanging out. Try to spread some of the love. Just increases your odds of winning, an account in the future. So Adam Daz, in the general chat or in anywhere in the Discord, shoot me a message or just say hi in the general chat, and I'll send over that code for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Lucid. You're going to go on the Lucid Flex, a 25K Flex eval. You'll have to do whatever, sign up or whatever. If you're already logged in, go to buy one of these guys. And then once you get to the discount code area, just put the code in there, and it should zero out the price. There's Adam. Nice. Okay, let's see here. I just got to get that coupon for you. Coupon management. 25K Lucid Flex eval. So Adam, if you could do me a favor after you purchase that, please send me a screenshot of the account, just so I can mark off that code is Gonzo. And there you go. Yeah, it's a Flex 25K. Yes. I know, right, Angia? The short's finally playing out a bit? Nice. Hopefully your second duck will be faster next Sunday. Yeah.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble.
224 is your target?
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Six in the chat, yeah, we just
Your duck's not working correctly, Dio? I know, isn't that always the case? When you want it to go, it just doesn't go that quick anymore, does it? In the comment section, what are you supposed to put in there? Oh, whatever you want, Talon. You want to say, I hate this stream? You can go ahead. You can say, I love Market Butcher. Whatever you feel like saying. It doesn't matter. We also have a part in this lottery, mister. Yes, yes, you do. I wish you had more size on. I'd hold it longer. I was only tagged in for 2 micros on the short. Was hoping to add in on at least 3 more when it goes higher. Nice. Okay. Could bounce here though. Yeah, it could. I mean, we're kind of like pulling back into that strength, those wicks there. Okay, hi Tam. Have a good one. Sleep well and have a good morning with Nick, or with me and Nick tomorrow morning. Yes, 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 yes. I know you guys are looking for shorts here, but I'm personally just not that convinced that we're gonna go all the way to the gap right now. But I could be wrong. Not financial advice. You don't want to sit in front of the computer? Yeah. You're bullish as heck? Really? You're being sarcastic. Yes, it's consolidating. Shorting right now is trying to pick the top. That's true, Christine. That's true. This could be a little pullback here before they decide to push it higher. But I mean, at least you have a tight stop, right? I mean, if you get above sort of 50, 55 or something, 60 area, you just cut this thing, right? We've got a 5-minute change in state of delivery.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't need a home run.
It's not picking the top. I was hoping that I was originally hoping that we're gonna at least tap this fair value gap before we're gonna head lower, but
somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way.
no, this isn't a long time trade. I'm just in for a good time. There you go, nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is probably, I mean, yeah, you can definitely be scalping up here, but I wouldn't be, you know, trying. Adam, it's so if you enable the daily loss limit or however you want to set it, there'll just be a charge on the difference, right? So if you go with the one with the daily loss limit, then it'll be free. If you want to take the daily loss limit off, I think it's like $5 or something. So you would have to pay that $5, but that's just, yeah. So if you select one or the other, it's either you got to pay the $5 or not, kind of thing. I don't know exactly how much it is, but I think it's $5. Nice trade, nice trade. Nice trade.
I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive.
Okay, $10. Gotcha. Yeah, so it's up to you if you want to just spend the money and avoid having that daily loss. But I mean, probably shouldn't be losing $500 a day on one day anyways. So you've been in that short for an hour. Wow. Green trump red. Let's flush this bad boy. There you go. Congrats, man. Congrats.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MNQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that.
You want the gap? I mean, the gap is far.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised though, but I just feel like we're probably going to do that in London at some point if we're going to. But yeah, that's how all the Lucid giveaways are now. If you add the daily loss, I mean, you got to pay for that. Yeah. Yeah. So how we doing on the forum there, guys? I'm going to post it one more time here. Give you one more chance here to get in on this forum. Oh, geez. I almost posted the I almost posted the code that I had sent to Adam there. Good thing I didn't just hit enter. Where is this form here? You guys would have been like, oh, damn. LOL, whoops. There you go. There's a form. So we got about 30 people already filled out on this form here. 39 people. So that's pretty nice little turnout there for however many people we got in the stream right now. Is a form we filled out at the beginning of the month, right, Dave? No. So for the form that I just posted right now in the chat is just for tonight, and that's just for the duck race because I don't want to put all, you know, the Sunday giveaway form off the Discord. I don't want to use that to give extra ducks because people already have extra entries in that form, right? So that's why I'm posting a new form so that it's fair for whoever wants to get in on trying to get some more ducks tonight for next Sunday and the future Sundays. Yes. Let's take a quick look at the comments here. Some veggies can't be beat. Thanks, Butcher. Thank you. I never won before. Don't dox me, please. Use Harriet Tickman. Go Duck. Thanks. Thanks, Dave. Always good vibe. Yay. Good start to the week. Quack, quack. My wife was what? My wife was what? My wife was drawing on her eyebrows. I told her she drew them too high. She looked surprised. Duck. I love you and Dad. There's Angie's comment. You know. Thank you. Great stream. Butcher, let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Great stream. I got a poo. Your stream is awesome. Best one my wife and I have found. Oh, thank you for that. Let's go. Thank you. Let's win an extra duck. Thank you. Let's win an extra duck. Extra duck race. Love the stream. LOL. Love the stream. Tonight is the night.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again.
48 entries. If my duck fails me, I'm out, not trading anymore. You're just gonna quit, Dio. For all those kind words, I think everyone deserves a free account. Yeah, I wish I had that many free accounts, Greg. If I had 50 free accounts, that'd be pretty awesome, wouldn't it? I literally get 4 a month from Lucid, and I feel pretty lucky to get those. At least I can run these giveaways.
Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Entry sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here.
I no longer have to poo. So we found out who was making that comment there, guys. All right, let's get this duck race. We'll get this list going here.
So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits.
Looks like Tony Gold slipped in there last second here.
Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Entry sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Entry sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks. bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, you know what.
Looks like I was muted. Thank you, thank you. I'm like reading all the comments out. Nobody's, and you guys can't hear anything I'm saying here. So I said, Akazuka Aspera. My stop loss was 184. Nice. I was my stop was below 180 on that pullback. So good job, good job. I was on mute. Yes, I was.
Ready? For Globex. Let's go.
Richard just joined the Discord too. Welcome, welcome. What are you doing, Ralph? Man, Ralph's really fired up today. He's like not chilling out very much. Okay. All right, let's get the form going. We're at now currently at 40 minutes after the hour. Just double check. We did get one more entry here. Looks like John Waddell. I'm out of the long right now. I already closed my trade, so. Let's see here. Duck race. I gotta add one more name and we're good to go. Quack, quack. Yeah, we got 50 people, basically. So we are ready to go here. We're going to give away 3 extra ducks for next Sunday and the future Sundays giveaways. So if you guys have filled out the form already and then you win a race tonight, that's going to mean you're going to have an extra duck into the Sunday race. So if you win it tonight, your odds of winning next Sunday just go up. So keep it in mind. We're going to shuffle the characters around a couple times here and get off to the race here. And it's not just because it mentions your name. I'm sure. All right, good luck here. 35 seconds. We'll give away a couple ducks here. I see Vorsfed there. Are you with the Superman duck? Oh, that's scary. That's scary, man. Superman duck. Let's do it. Born hunting. 17 seconds. Some stop losses hit. I see Rybrilla ATP there. Oh, CCC 2888. Who's that? Trading game coming up. Jane Bond pushing up. Who's this? Keith Matthew with the super burner on there. Keith Matthew. Keith, are you here? There you go. Nice. Okay. He's here. Let's go race again here. Good luck, good luck. Shuffle, shuffle. And we're off, we're off. Looks like NQ's trying to push back up here, guys. Just keep an eye on this one. If it doesn't make a new high, probably going to be continuing with this pullback. Rising Phoenix trades. Johnny Drift. Drew 69 Malibu. Stop losses were hit. We got 11 seconds left. Who's going to come from the back here? Oh, who's this? Who's this? Right here. Project Music. Chill Out Project Music takes a W. Chill Out Project Music. Are you here? Nice, nice. Okay, so make sure if you haven't already, I'm not sure if you did, but head over to Discord and fill out the form on the Discord also. That just means that you'll have 2 ducks into next Sunday's race. So fill out the one on Discord. You won an extra duck here. So that means next Sunday you'll have 2 ducks in the race. So your odds of winning are just increasing right now. So congrats for that. Chill Out Project Music Extra Duck. Enter. Got to snooze out. Good night, fellas. All right, Rybrilla. We're doing one more duck race right now. All right, let's shuffle it a couple times and let's go. Good luck here. I saw Angie at GBU there. God bless you. Rybrilla ATP. Look at this pushing up. Drew 69 Malibu. For keeps over there, 007, Harriet Tickman, Trading Game, Yo Jim Blob, Lil Tony, DI 385, Hunting Pips, Frank second, Trader RX 901. Who's gonna win here? Looks like highly favored Trading, aka Brick. So did you use Brick on the form or did you use highly favored trading? Like when you filled out the Discord form or either of these forms, I guess. On the Discord is Brick. Okay. There we go. Yeah, no worries. Eugene, hey, what's up? What up, bro? Eugene Anderson. Welcome, welcome. Miss K, miss you. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do it. Here we go. We're going to shorten this guy, though. Let's shorten it down here. Let's go with, let's just do a super fast one. 7 seconds. Good luck to the winner here. It's going to be a super blaster right off the gates. Instant race here. Who's going to go? Who's going to go? Somebody's ripping. Who is it? Look at that. Red. Red. There you go. Congrats, Red. You got another extra duck. All right. Congrats, everybody. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and hopefully helps you guys win some duck, win an account in the next Sunday race. So to win, I need a longer name, right, Sat? Just write SAT 943, SAT 9437 or 9473 like 3 times, and it'll be a nice long name. So, can you point me where the document to fill out Discord is? Thank you. Yes. Yeah. So get into the Discord, right? The Discord, the pinned comment there in the chat. Head into the Discord, and then if you go here, there's a giveaway entry channel, right? There's 2 ways. One is just scroll to the very top, but the easier way is actually on the top right hand corner. There's a little button that looks like a pin, and you just click that. It says pinned message. It'll drop this down. Here's the form, Google Docs form. Just fill that out, and you'll be entered into the Sunday races. Hey. Are options opening earlier tomorrow? Something I heard. I don't know, Harriet. I've never heard that, so maybe somebody in the chat knows. All right, Rybrilla, have a good night. Yeah, it was a quick one. It was a quick one. Wrong trade. Oh, you heard the same thing? 7:30. Gotcha. That's interesting. This is my spider web trade here, guys. Look at this. Womp, 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 womp. The last contract all the way up there. So I made 31 on that contract. I made 20 on that one. I made 34 on that one. And I made 81 on the last guy. That'll bring more volume with hedging futures. Fair. That's fair. Past my bedtime. Thank you, Dave. And so happy Ralph has more relief. Yeah. The eardrops. I got to do some more eardrops actually after we get off the stream here. He gets these eardrops. Is it once a day or twice a day? I'm gonna have to go double check the package there. We currently still have 146 people watching, guys. There we go. We did make a lower high here. Is this gonna? If this ends up breaking below 30,234, I could definitely see us pulling down into the 220s, right? Excuse me for a minute, guys. I'm just going to hit the bathroom real quick. I will be right back.
Value high, value low. Watch it flow back again. Back again, smart money always knows. Force fed calling out the moves. Randy's cool, he's got the groove. Jerry waiting, never rush. One clean setup, that's enough. Top 40 says risk first move. Moonboy Doug stole the show. Cruise at nitrous, rocket fly. Everybody laughing all night. No FOMO, only flow. Don't steal the show. One good trade, walk away. Tomorrow brings another day. VWAP is king. Everybody sing. Price comes back like a boomerang. VWAP is king. gets crazy, keep it steady. Boner candle, straight up high. Watch retail, wave goodbye. FVG VWAP, PMC. One more pullback at Rico. Market butcher, still the show. Leewag is king. Everybody sing. Market butcher, built to stay. Leewag is king. One more fun to dream. Smart money moves in silence. Hear the crowd all scream. Leewag is king. Leewag is king. Trade like I love, basic. One trade at a time. Market butcher. Get it. Add it. Get it. Add it. King. Market butcher. Late night future. Levi is a king. And just dropping schedules right on time. Your dream saying thank you dirty every night. J-Mon yelling hit the light. Top 40 stacking payouts right. It's bringing all the hype. Kyle laughing through another spike. Chris says wait, don't chase that way. Take your profit. Don't be hurted.
And I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. Whoa, looks like they're trying to take that low. What did I miss? What did I miss? Did the giveaway happen? Yes, it did, Atheist. It did. You could have added on that back test to the midnight open. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Now we've got motion. Yes, that will probably increase the volume earlier and maybe take away some volume from New York Open here. Just keep in mind, we do have the next hourly candle coming up here pretty quickly. Looks like about a minute and a half. And that could really, if they're going to go higher, that's going to be the candle that'll probably start it. So if not, maybe we're going to get a pullback all the way into this 220 area. We got the This inverted fair value gap could potentially be support. We got this bullish fair value gap there, and then we have the VWAP with value area high down there. So price might come back into this area. Buy side liquidity remains if the sell side provides little information. Okay, yeah. There we go. Nice rejection off the midnight open price. Still got orders mostly above on the book map though. 69 or 70 area, 69.25, 30,280, 30,300 above. We do have some orders that just came on 30,200, just kind of lining up with, yeah, below the VWAP there. There we go. Here's a new hourly candle. Can I explain how to read the book map chart? Okay, so basically anywhere where you see these lines, right? These darker lines, it just means that there's a higher amount of contracts. So if you see a line there, typically there's going to be more contracts at that level than say an area that doesn't have the line, right? If you come to the right here under the COB, which is current order book, you can actually see how many contracts are at each level. So I could zoom it in a little bit here. We'll take a look at 30,280, right? It shows that we have 92 contracts there. That's why it's a little bit darker than say this area here, where it's, you know, only 22 contracts. So what I like to do is formulate my trade off the chart, you know, like, so if we're above VWAP, we're above previous day point of control, I'm going to be bullish. Then I'm going to look for probably a fair value gap or a retest or a break of the VWAP for an entry. And then, you know, since I'm bullish and we got orders above, I'm going to be probably taking my profit somewhere near the cluster of orders that are above. And that's basically how I run it. As you can see on the right hand side here, we have the SVP, which is a session range volume profile, or the session volume profile. And that's all the contracts that have been purchased in those levels. So as you can see, there's, you know, 1,700 down there at 195, 1,500 at 200, you know, and so on and so on. So if you see prices going up, right? And if you notice here, we have some lines in the COB orders. So if there's a line, a white line in that, that means that everything from the white line to the left of these orders are going to be controlled by one entity. So often this is going to be considered like algorithm orders, or, you know, maybe a whale kind of orders. Somebody, basically one person with a whole whack of orders in one trade. So the kind of idea is that sometimes these will be still a draw on liquidity. Typically price is going to want to go there, but often when we get there, they might pull those orders off before the price crosses that level. And the way that you can tell the best is if, you know, if there shows 78 contracts here at 30,270, and then you look to the right as price goes through it, it should show 78 contracts on this side. So just keep that in mind, as sometimes as we go through some of the prices there, if they don't all go across, they probably pulled them and like moved them up higher or something, right? So those red and green circles are basically what I've done is, if I go in here, which is this guy right here, I think it is. No, not that one. Okay, configure add-ons. Yeah. So configure add-ons. No, it's not configure add-ons. It's studies. Yeah. So studies, if you go to the volume dot here, what I've done is I've set them to display minimum volume of 40 contracts and minimum trade size of 10. So what it is basically is it's wherever there's more involvement. So right here, there's 48 contracts that were bought at the ask, right? Yeah, bought at the ask, 48 contracts at the ask, which was at 30,250. Here there was 48 contracts sold at the bid for 30,247. level, 30,247, 48 contracts. We pulled back down into here, 41 contracts bought at the ask, 41 contracts at 30,244. So just kind of showing you where the participants, the bigger participants, are taking place. Out of the box, they don't put those requirements on it, and often they it'll just show all the buyers and sellers. So I've made it so that there's less showing here. So and look at that, guys. This is what I was saying. This could be, you know, if the buyers decide to step back in, this is probably going to be the start of it on the hourly candle. But wait to see what happens. If you get a closure above the midnight open price, I would be a little more concerned about us going higher if you're in a short. But this might also just be another rejection off the midnight open price. So just have to be patient here to see how this plays out. So yeah, you're welcome, Greg. No problem. So as you can kind of see there too, right? We had all these orders above, and as price went into them, they filled all these orders here and there. So the buyers, lots of buyers in participation here. So it's kind of like telling you we're probably going to go higher. And then look at that, we peaked out and then we got some sellers. Some more buyers stepped in there to try to hold it up, but it kind of came back down, back up, back down. So again, we're going to have to see how this ends up playing out. The next 5-minute candle here is probably going to be the tell. You know, if we end up getting a closure above the midnight open price, we might go higher. And then adversely, if we end up, you know, getting a closure down below 232, probably going to be heading down to at least to the 20s, maybe down to the 12s. It's also called previous week's New York session value area high. What's that? The midnight open? This one right here? This is Friday's price action value area high. So previous day value area high is what I would call it. But yeah, it's last week Friday's value area high. All right, hey, for keeps, have a good night.
Charts up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market, market put you on the mic, oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive, let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side, Bona candle print and the bears all high, market but you can't keep the dream alive.
All right, here, how we doing? So we might end the stream a little bit earlier here, guys. Not too long. I do have to be up for tomorrow morning's market open, so would like to get a little extra sleep if possible tonight. Often we're up pretty late here on these streams, and it kind of digs into the, you know, how much I can sleep. I still have to take Frank for a walk here. So yeah, just keep an eye. We'll stick around at least till the, you know, till this next 5-minute candle closes. If we end up, you know, closing above, like I said, if we close above midnight open price, I would be a little more concerned if you're in a short. If, you know, if we get a closure below it, you know, down in the 32 area, then, you know, there's a good chance we're going to continue lower. So what? More sleep? Yeah, I need more sleep. Please heck Discord. Please check the Discord. General chat. Hi Dave, this is Chill Out Project Music from YouTube. I found giveaway channel, but I can't find the form. You share it here in the personal message. Thanks. I just double checked the correct giveaway.
Everybody laughing while the candles fly. I like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L.car stream joke. Going crazy, don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Yeah, we say Asian, hard to
There you go. I put it in the. It's the last comment in the Discord there, in the giveaway channel. So if you head over to the giveaway channel there, it's the comment, the very last comment. So yeah, so looking like the Bulls are trying to get back in charge here, guys. I was concerned about this, like I was saying earlier. We do have orders above on the book map, although they seem like they're coming off a little bit here, but we do have orders up at, sort of at the 70s, the 80s, and then the 300s. And not a whole lot below. We do have, there's obviously some orders there at 200. So 155 area. Lack of sleep is slowly deteriorating my health for sure. Thanks, NQ. I know, right? I need to get more sleep too, bro. I do. Pretty bad. There you go. Nice. Nice.
Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine. Another one shows, market but your gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market but your crew. Base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults, protect the evil, respect the stop. And remember, NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. NQ is dirty.
So we did not take the midnight open price. Maybe the next 5-minute candle will. So anyways, guys, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna wrap it up here. Try to get to bed a little bit earlier tonight than normal. Just need to get some more sleep nowadays. But yeah, thanks everybody. I'm gonna do our little shout out here. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for the super chat. Yo Jim, not a cat in the house. Thanks for the super chat. I appreciate it. OC Dog Trainer, Angia, for keeps, Kyle Shees, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Highly Favored Trading, Chris, Skeletor, Keith, Jerry, Miss K, Hi Tam, Force Fed, Ryan Entourage, Rai Brilla, Adam, 2 Cent Trading, OCCC, Born Hunting, Dio Soul, Moonboy, Zero Skills, Wrong Trade, G-Ruck, Wilson is Gold, Noi, Big Teflon, Jane, Hectron, Airben, Chill Out Project Music, Plum Trader, Akuza Kasperezi, Lone Wolf Blue, sorry if I'm butchering that, Butt Nugget Man, M Brown, Drew 69 Malibu, Apple, Fawn, Sat, Christine, David, Pacha, Trading Game, Rafael Cini, Avi, Hunting Pips, Clee Torres, and Alex Trades. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you guys. We'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out for the New York session. We'll try to find some good trades. Looking like the midnight open price is giving us a bit of a rejection here. So maybe it's okay for you guys shorts right now. But yeah, come hang out tomorrow morning. See if we can't catch some nice green trades. It is Monday though, so let's be careful. Start off the week good. Let's see. Do we have any news for Monday? No news Monday. We got building starts or housing starts and building permits on Tuesday. So yeah, that's that. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming out. Have a great evening, and we will catch you on the next stream. Love you guys, and say bye to Ralph. Ralph, love you guys too. Peace out. Bye-bye, everybody.
Well managed. Imagine that. Lone Wolf Blue, say oil, dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy, ATH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. NQ is dirty, dirty. no revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide, Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FVG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs.
Hey, Dad found me right before the stream ended. Hey, good evening, Dad. Have a great night. Sleep well. And yeah, have a good night.
And the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps. Sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine. Another one shows.
Thanks, everybody. Peace out. Have a great night. Bye-bye.